What's up everyone, it's MD Tajul and we're back again with another video. Now you guys know I love diving into the latest tech trends, especially when they have the potential to, really shake things up. And trust me, Web3 and the whole idea of a decentralized internet, yeah, that's definitely one of those things. We're talking about a fundamental shift in how we interact online, moving away from the centralized platforms we're all used to, and towards a more open, secure, and user-centric experience. Think blockchain, crypto, NFTs, all of that good stuff, but on a much larger scale. So in this video, we're going to break down exactly what Web3 is all about, explore some of the key technologies driving this revolution, and take a look at how it could reshape the digital landscape by 2025. Buckle up, because things are about to get interesting. Alright, so let's start with the basics. What exactly are we talking about when we say Web3? Well, the easiest way to understand it is to think about where we've been. Web 1, that was like the early days of the internet, mostly static pages, not a ton of interaction. Then came Web 2, the era of social media, e-commerce, all those big centralized platforms. Web 3 is all about taking back control. Imagine a digital world where you own your data, where you're not at the mercy of tech giants and their algorithms. That's the promise of Web 3, and it's all powered by blockchain technology. With blockchain, we can create decentralized applications or dApps that operate independently of any single entity. This means no more middlemen, no more censorship, and a whole lot more transparency. The basic idea is that with Web 3, power shifts from the few to the many. It's about creating a more equitable and democratic online experience where users have more control over their digital lives. Now let's dive into one of the most exciting aspects of Web 3. Decentralized applications, or dApps. Think of dApps like the apps you use every day on your phone, but with one crucial difference: they're built on a decentralized network. This means they're not controlled by a single company like Apple or Google. Instead, they're powered by blockchain technology and run on a distributed network of computers. This has some major implications. For starters, it means dApps are more resistant to censorship. Since they're not reliant on a single server or company, it's much harder to shut them down. This is a huge deal for things like freedom of speech and access to information. But it's not just about censorship resistance. dApps also offer greater security and transparency. Because all transactions on a blockchain are recorded and verifiable, it makes it much harder for hackers to manipulate data or steal funds. And since the code for these dApps is often open source, anyone can audit it to make sure it's secure and working as intended. We're already seeing dApps for everything from decentralized finance and gaming to social media and supply chain management. Let's talk about blockchain and smart contracts. Blockchain isn't just about cryptocurrencies, it's a new way of thinking about data storage, security, and trust. Imagine a digital record of transactions, copied and distributed across a network. That's what a blockchain is, a shared, transparent ledger that no one can tamper with. Now, smart contracts are self-executing agreements in code. They enforce terms automatically when conditions are met. For example, buying concert tickets online, funds are held in escrow until you receive the tickets. This ensures a secure and transparent transaction. Okay, so we've talked about blockchain, dApps, and smart contracts. Now let's see how all of this comes together in the world of decentralized finance, or DeFi. This is where things get really interesting. DeFi recreates traditional financial services without banks or brokers. Lending, borrowing, trading, investing, all on a decentralized network. Imagine getting a loan instantly using your cryptocurrency as collateral, or earning higher interest on your savings than traditional banks offer. That's the potential DeFi unlocks. Outro. So there you have it, a glimpse into the world of Web3 and the decentralized internet. From dApps and smart contracts to DeFi and beyond, the possibilities really are endless. It's a paradigm shift in how we interact online, putting power back into the hands of users and creating a more open, secure, and equitable digital landscape. Now, I know this is a lot to take in, and we've just scratched the surface here. But I hope this video has sparked your curiosity and given you a better understanding of what Web3 is all about and why it matters. If you're as excited about the potential of Web3 as I am, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos on the future of the internet. And be sure to let me know in the comments what you think about Web3 and what aspects you're most interested in exploring further. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the ever-evolving world of tech.